It's another weekend, and honestly, life has been really hectic lately. Not just work-wise, but also everyday-wise. I'm super behind on my planning and journaling. I'm even thinking of declaring something like email bankruptcy. You know, when you just declare it and delete all the unread emails in your inbox. That's what I'm thinking when it comes to my planner and journal stuff. I'm not thinking of getting rid of my planners and journals, but just starting fresh and forgetting my backlog. Maybe that's what I will do. But anyway, even if life has been crazy busy, somehow I'm kind of updating my 2021 lineup today just to show you all the new traveler's notebooks that I have. They actually happen to be all traveler's notebooks. So I'll just show you each one by one. Some you have probably already seen in my past videos. If you want to see my latest planner and journal spreads, please follow my Instagram. I'm Nobody Calls Me Leah there. I try to at least post a few spreads even if I really don't have the time these days, but whatever I end up doing, I post there. So please check that out. Okay, I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. Okay, so I just made a little pile of all the books here so I can show you one by one. We can start with this little thing. This just arrived last week. I did a haul over on my Instagram. It came as a part of the, I'm forgetting, but it might be the Renew Your Inspiration kit. This is from a local business here. My friend sent me the link, so that kind of got me going. I just wanted to get the kit because it was beautiful. It's meant to spark your creativity and perfect for a journal person. And the thing that jumped out the most for me was this, the Quest journal. It's in the mini size and the color's onyx. It's from the Earth collection that they have, and it's made of vegan leather. I love it. It's so smooth and kind of pebbled. There's a little texture. It's nice. So why did I get this? I've actually been thinking about setting up a traveler's notebook wallet. I wanted something that could hold all my cash and then also hold some cards, some discount cards, credit cards, debit cards, but also have a little book where I can note down all my expenses. When I'm out, I can just quickly jot down all my spending, and even at home for online purchases, I can just write them down here because I have an adulting planner in my passport size traveler's notebook, but it doesn't really have a lot of space for budgeting. So I thought a traveler's notebook wallet might be a good idea. So I'm going to turn this one into that. Let me show you the inside. The kit also came with a magnetic bookmark, and if you've seen my previous videos, you would know that I love these. It says the universe is in me, so I already stuck it into the notebook. So this is just a blank insert, the Quest Earth Journal insert. It's a pretty thick insert and I love the paper. It's really smooth but not too thick, and it's kind of a cream color, not white. And then I can see two elastics here, so there are possibilities to make this chunkier. You know, I like chunky things, but I don't want to make this too chunky because it's meant to be a wallet that should fit into even my smaller bags. So, and then there's this card pocket, zipper pocket here. I'm thinking I might probably add one more card sleeve here because this only has one pocket on each side, although that could easily hold 4 cards or maybe even 8 cards if you put 2 underneath, the 2 on top per side. And then this can hold my money. So yeah, it's going to be a fun little project again, and I hope to get going on that soon because this is an easy one. Okay, and then this one is something that I got a long time ago. By the way, I'll include all the links if I have links in the description box down below. I will include the link to this one, but I don't have a link for this one because this is by one of those artisans that just show up in bazaars, and I forgot what kind of bazaar I went to, but it was years and years ago, and I just got this because it's really cute. It has a nautical theme, it's color blue, and I love those little charms. And look at the spine. I like how they did that. So I've had this for years and years, but I never used it. When I got it, I just got it because it was cute. I didn't really have a use for it. So it just sat in my drawer for years. So now I finally thought of something to use it for. Let me show you. I'm gonna use it to document my washi. I forgot to mention that this has rings. It's a ring-bound traveler's notebook, so that's interesting. And it came with craft paper, which I've never worked with before, actually. I've had craft paper inserts, but it's just the cover, not the inside pages. So there, I just documented my washi. I did some washi samples, and I like that. It was very therapeutic. It's so nice just sticking washi down for 30 minutes or so. But I realized that I need more washi, so that's a little dangerous. It made me realize that I don't have a lot and I need more. Just what a journal addict would say, huh? And that's it. It would probably take me years and years to fill this up, so I will be using this little notebook for a very long time. I actually loved it so much that I gave a bunch to friends. I forgot if this came in different colors. I don't remember anymore, but I remember giving a bunch away to people because I loved it. And then, okay, let's put those here. The next one is something you've seen in parts, kind of. I set it up in a video. You can see the card here and check it out if you haven't watched it. I set it up and I also unboxed the notebook itself. Here's another card for you, so you can see that video. So yeah, this is my travel journal. It's very new. It's a traveler's notebook. I love it. And nothing has changed really. Like I said, life has been hectic, so I haven't really gotten a start on this. And I was also thinking I had to do a bunch of things before I can start journaling. One is to find all my travel memorabilia. I'm actually in trouble because I can't find my keepsakes from my past trips. I only have the ones from my 2 latest trips, but it kind of works out because I really decided to start with those. Let me show you. I was able to put everything in a box. Let me just check if you can see. Okay, there. Just a lot of maps, things, boarding passes from trips. Cards, hotel cards. So everything's in there. But I also needed a few supplies, so I started getting those. I put one in here already. I got this postal sticker sheet from Everyday Explorers Co. I actually got a bunch of travel stuff. I actually did a haul over at my Instagram. You can check it out if you're curious. I did an IGTV on this. I got this sticker sheet. It's cute. And then I also got some travel themed clear stamps. It's the Start Today clear stamp set from Everyday Explorers Co. So there, it's very cute. It's gonna look like those stamps in your passport. So I love that. And stamps and tickets. And I also got a couple of washi tapes. I don't really have a lot of travel themed stuff, so I got this super cute tape. It looks like stamps again, passport stamps, and then these look like travel tags. Super cute. And then the most important thing that I actually need to do before I get started on this book is to print out my travel pictures. I have to organize them and decide on what I would like to print and put in my journals, because there are a lot of photos. So that's gonna take a bit of work and I need some time to do that. So hopefully I can get started soon. And yeah, that's my travel journal. And then this last book may look familiar because it looks like the small book. The Nautical Themed Traveler's Notebook. Okay, I just keep checking if you can see. So I'm quickly losing light, so I'm gonna rush a little bit here. So this is a big version and I didn't get it myself. This came from my Secret Santa from work back in December. They know that I am a planner and journal person, so my Secret Santa got me this journal as well as a few stickers. So it's just funny that she got me the large version of one that I already have, but I love it. And this is pretty big, so I thought I would make it into a junk journal. It has the same rings and craft paper. I already got started with the BTS meal. I'm ARMY. I never thought I would be someone who would keep fast food packaging, but yeah. I recycled some plastic from sticker sheets just to hold the paper bag that the meal came in. And then this used to hold NBA cards or Magic cards. I just got it from my husband. So it's nice to be able to reuse plastic. In this, I'm going to start to collect plastic sheets from stickers so that I can use them in my junk journal so that I don't end up throwing them away. And that's it so far. I even kept the nugget box. Please don't judge me. But yeah, if you're ARMY, you would understand. And there. I've been wanting to do a junk journal for some time, So I actually have a tin box here where I've been collecting all the things that I want to keep in there, like letters from friends and notes from shops and all the little paper things that come in the mail that I really want to keep. There's this chocolate wrapper from a conference I attended, stuff like that, traveler's notebook slips, shop cards, yeah, all sorts of things. So I was able to organize everything into this box, so I'm just going to have to start with that project also. Can anyone relate to having all these projects you want to do but never having the time? I will make time, I promise. So okay, I'm losing so much light, I think. Yeah, you would think it's super late afternoon, but I don't know, maybe it's going to rain. But yeah, I'll see you again next week. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. I would really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please leave me a like as well. Thank you so much. Bye.